What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in brilliant black crystal pearl paint, powered by the 6.4 liter Hemi V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a performance-based SUV that's suitable for anybody. So let's go take a closer look right now. This Jeep has a proximity key fob. It fits nicely in your pocket and it looks very nice. And this Jeep has a power liftgate. And on the key fob, all you gotta do is press this button on the left here twice and that'll pop open the power liftgate. And this also has remote start. Just press that button twice and you can remote start the Grand Cherokee. And there's also a panic button. And up above is a panoramic sunroof, which is a fantastic thing to have in the summertime. Just open that up, it'll let in all the light and fresh air you want. Leather seats throughout, SRT badging on the front seats, nice leather padding for your arm to rest on. Open this up, there's a CD player in there, some space for some storage, and there's also a 12-volt DC power outlet. Very nice. The seats are comfortable to sit in and very nice to touch, believe me. And come to the back here, we can easily open up the power liftgate just by putting our hand down below here and pressing the button. Boom, it opens right up, right before your eyes. That is sweet. This may come as a surprise to some people, but there's tons of space in the back here for many different things. There's a subwoofer on the right, and there's a 12-volt DC power outlet, so you can power up things. There's hooks on the sides too. Underneath here, you'll have your spare tire with a jack, and there's also some storage space in there. Some hooks on the left side there, so you can hang up bags or whatever you want. There's a cover here that you can pull to cover up important items that may be back here so people can't see them when the liftgate is closed. And if you don't want it like that, no problem. Just go ahead and you can put it back to where it was. And to close the power liftgate, there's a button here on the left. Just press it once. You'll hear a couple beeps to warn you that it's coming down. And then it comes right back down and will lock right back into place. Very good. The SRT also has a blind spot monitoring system, and if there's someone in your blind spot, the SRT will let you know if there is someone in your blind spot. Even if you try to change lanes, it'll beep at you. There's a triangle right there that'll light up for you if there is someone in your blind spot. Excellent. Steering wheel mounted controls for the driver information center. You have voice recognition and Bluetooth controls on the steering wheel, cruise control on the right, and below there's adaptive cruise control. Paddle shifters on the back, leather wrapped steering wheel, feels absolutely great in your hands. And behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. This is a power tilting steering wheel as well. Moving to the back seat area here, the door panels are looking very nice. There's tons of footroom in the back seat area, and there's plenty of headroom, tons of space for anybody. Is a 60-40 rear split setup back here, and the seats do fold down for you. Very easy to do that. Just go down here, pull this handle, and the seat comes right down. And when all the seats are folded down, it gives you a bit more space to haul bigger things inside the SRT. There's a fold down armrest here in the middle with 2 cup holders, and if you're not using it, you can easily flip that back up. Down here, there's a 115 volt AC power outlet, 2 USB ports, heated seats in the back, directional air vents, and you can adjust where you want the air to go. And this has dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Grand Cherokee to adjust your climate control for you. You'll have front and rear ParkSense parking sensors, forward collision warning, eco mode, and you can turn off the traction control. Down here, there's a 12 volt DC power outlet, a USB port, auxiliary port, and an SD card port, and some space for whatever you want. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle. This does have an automatic transmission. This has the Selec-Terrain System and also a launch control. This is the touchscreen Uconnect system. You'll have AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM. You can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. You can adjust your audio. You have your balance fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, surround sound mode that you can adjust, which is really cool. You have your presets up above. Hold it with your finger. You can easily set a preset and it tells you the song and the artist that's playing in the middle of the screen. Media here, so if you have anything in the USB ports, the auxiliary port, or the CD player, go here and you can listen to all your favorite music, and you have access to a mini map right there too. Touchscreen controls for the driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats. This also has a heated steering wheel. Touchscreen climate controls, you can adjust where you want the air to go. You can sync and unsync the temperatures, set the temperature with just your finger. Very straightforward, very easy to use that. And you can adjust the fan speed. GPS navigation area gives you a great view of the map, and you can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map. Go where to, point in the address, it'll show you how to get to where you want to go. Bluetooth area, connect the phone, make hands-free calls. You can pair more than one device, and you have SRT Performance Pages. Now this is really cool. You'll have timers, you have extra gauges, it tells you your G-forces. It's so nice. Only the SRT has this. It's very cool to look at. Come check it out soon. It's the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in brilliant black crystal pearl paint, powered by the 6.4 liter Hemi V8 engine underneath the hood. There is so much that this Jeep can offer you. So come down to Crosstown Dodge today and see it for yourself. I'm David, and I'll talk to you later.